Welcome back, guys. We are here today with the ultimate accuracy test. We are throwing plastic balls on an extremely long oil pattern today. Good luck.
As to you.
Do you want to go first or second? It's the big question.
I'll go first.
You'll go first? Okay. All I'm saying is people have luck when they go first. Brandon went first. He won. Then he let me go first and lost. And pretty much everyone who makes me go first loses, so.
Didn't exactly hook that much. I'm like throwing really slow. So if you've ever seen me bowl, like normally I'm like whipping it down there, and I feel like...
Trust me, we've seen you bowl. I completely missed that. What happened? Dude, you didn't slide. Your foot just stopped moving.
I didn't do anything.
This is your chance at redemption here.
Hopefully some people are seeing this video that haven't seen the other ones.
I was hoping the lanes weren't gonna hook as much,
Yeah.
so then we'd have no chance at a repeat performance of last time. But we're right out there on the gutter again. Just saying. Just saying.
PTSD?
I think so.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Psych. Left the same thing as you. Not my best effort. I'm gonna keep it a little straight. It's a big spare. This is day 10 of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Day 9's winner is right up here. And as for today's prize, it is a Deviate Captivate. You gotta click that link down below in the description, as always, to enter all of our giveaways, as well as you must be a subscriber of the channel because you can't win if you're not subscribed. And now, let's get back into bowling and stay tuned to tomorrow's video to see if you were one of the winners.
Gotta think slow. I think if I throw it slow, I'm fine. Last one was all fast. Oh. That one was slow.
That was slow. You just threw it too far to the right. You did what I did. Too
Dead
far to the
right.
right. And now that he's split, we're gonna give him a chance to win $100 if he beats me today. Now that he's down 10. Good luck. What'd you say, Matt? Nice shirt. We do have a discount code, HOLIDAY20, for 20% off on thehousebowling.com. Holiday, winter merch, whatever you want to call it, it's merch.
I mean, I might as well go for it.
Wow, I wasn't ready for the back of ball either.
I don't know if I was.
That hooked a lot.
Yeah.
The left side's always easier. That was so close. That was in the same spot as last time, but way better hand, way better speed. Maybe I could throw a strike shot at this just to warm up for next frame. I'm ready. Lined in. We're bowling on a long pattern, but this specifically is 45 feet. It's a 2.5 to 1 ratio, which means it's gonna be hard. The outside of the lane does hook here, which is why we're able to throw it to the outside. We didn't touch either of our plastic balls. We're throwing spare balls down the lane, spare balls, long pattern, no surface.
I think the key is to not throw it dead right, otherwise known as hit your mark, and just throw it really slow.
What's your normal ball speed?
Probably like 18.
And right now you're throwing a 15.5.
I feel like I'm throwing at 11.
And it's probably like 19,
Yeah.
Slow ball speed for me, usually I throw it like 17.5. I'm probably aiming for like 15. Keep the ball outside of the lane just because the lane hook's there, not the pattern, but the lane hook's there. So if you can use some of the hook and keep it super slow, it should be good to hit the pocket. That's good. Or is it?
Now, I thought that was pretty good.
That was good. See, I guess the more shots we throw, the worse it gets.
Yeah, that was 15.
The plastic ball carry down on top of a long pattern, not good. We should have gone straight in, no practice.
Don't make those too often.
I've never thrown a better shot than the one I'm about to throw. That was so flat.
That'll say something.
That was so good. but it was so flat. This is an accuracy test. You want to get good, throw plastic on all conditions, and you'll learn to hit your target quick.
I didn't sign up for an accuracy test today. I thought they were gonna be nice.
This is the one ball competition, but spares are easy on this one.
Do you like, if you're throwing it slow, are you like slow off the approach?
I've always been told it's easier to be slow if everything is slow.
Yeah.
So like if you're slow thoughts, slow approach, slow on the way back from the approach, all of it.
You can definitely tell I'm throwing at 16 miles per hour when I'm sitting down.
I can tell because you're a spray nozzle.
Yeah.
Maybe not on that shot. Maybe not on that shot.
That was pretty good. That was a pretty good one.
A little more rotation. That was premature. That's all right. I'll just shoot at the rack. We're good. We're good. No, we're not going to spot it. I'm just going to shoot at it. I'll hit the 2-pin in the face.
Okay.
I would have made that.
We get
Come
fill
on.
shots here.
I wasn't trying to hit the pocket. I just sniffed the head pin on there. Nothing like a little premature slap though. Yeah, the Ripper 8-pin. What the? Money. Uh-oh.
That is a big double. You get away with the double, you spare everything else, you're good. I already opened, so I need the double.
Just threw it a little bit faster. That one was 15.4, the last one was 14.9. I barely got the 7 out though. The speed's gotta be good. I kept the rotation, but the speed's gotta be so good.
This is probably the closest ever in speed.
That we're gonna be ever. You're throwing it, your last one was 15.53.
Yeah.
Mine was 15.42. Speed buddies. Oh, no. Not again. That's a hard spare.
That is a tough one.
With what we're doing, that's a hard spare. Would you throw straight at this? Ever?
No.
Ever?
No.
Me neither. Prather throws straight at these when they're hard. And when he does that, I think he's a psychopath. That being said, he makes almost all of them. Oh boy. The real reason I don't throw straight at them is because when I miss, I can then tell myself that it's the lane's fault.
Yeah.
Like if you miss that, your ball just didn't hook.
Yeah. You throw straight at a 10-pin, you can't be like,
damn, the lane hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard my name in my backswing. Yes, Ryden? That was a big double.
I need you to not do that.
We would do best 2 out of 3, but I'm gonna whoop you. I don't want to embarrass you 2 games in a row.
I have no idea what my ball is doing right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Really? I know exactly what my ball is doing. Striking.
In theory, a plastic ball should be like very predictable, but I feel like maybe I'm the unpredictable one here. That's probably it.
Ay, ay, ay. That was a problem.
That makes this closer.
I should have moved. On my shot in the 6th frame, I rolled it dead up the back. I tried to move my eyes in, I tried to throw a little faster, but I rolled it dead up the back. And I was like, okay, just throw it better, like get around it and still put it on that line. Then hooked. That was bad. I should have made that. I should have at least gotten 1. Oh wow, that's good for me. Your ball was 30 feet down lane, and I said, oh wow, that's good for me.
I've always been known as like a touch player. Just had great touch on that one.
You knew it the whole way.
Yeah, I knew it.
And I'm over here flat sevening. What do I gotta do? What do I gotta do? I throw a good shot, it misses. He throws a horrible shot and it strikes.
That's debatable.
Is it? I feel like that was factual.
I was pretty confident that wasn't striking.
I was pretty confident that wasn't hitting the head pin.
Yeah, and we were both wrong. See, if I would have missed left though, of my last shot, it probably would have missed that pin.
That's fair. I hope he missed left on this one. Braden's got 233 left, but he's got to get the next 4.
Oh, that's fast.
Why couldn't they all just stand up one time? Just
See-
5, 7, 10 once for me. Just once.
Now I believe that was the correct miss, left and fast.
Left and fast is a good miss.
I almost 5, 7, 10. I just call it a 5, 7, 10. Some people call it lily or whatever.
A lily.
Right.
I've heard a sour apple.
I never heard that.
I call it the Matt Helmick special.
There is no reason to be so rude.
I've never seen you leave one, actually. I left one with a ball at league, and then I gave that ball away before I was done with league. He's a spare shooter. Here's the thing, if I got 1 on my spare, it would have equaled 2, which would have put me in the lead, but I went for it, I got 0, and now I'm down 1. If we all strike out, I lose by 1.
Also, I went for my split and barely got count, which I don't know how that happened, so.
Oh, so bad. Just to the left. Not gonna lie, I was nervous the whole time on spare shot. I was nervous the whole time. I need a miss here. I need a miss. I need a 9 spare 9. Give me a chance. Strike spare wins.
If I throw 3 of them?
Then you definitely win.
Oh, okay.
If you miss on the first one, it becomes interesting. Hold on.
What? You re-racking for me?
Yeah, it didn't look right.
Okay. I appreciate that.
It looked like you were gonna 5, 7, 10 again.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I'm glad, because if you slid that one off the back of the deck and it fell, I would have been pissed. Spare strike wins.
Well, okay.
Spare 9 gives me a chance. A miss here is huge. A miss here means I can strike spare to tie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He hit it in the middle. Uh-oh.
You said uh-oh, and I'm like, I don't know what could possibly happen to this ball.
You need a strike to win.
Yeah.
8, you're gonna lose, because I'm striking out. Good luck, Braden. Do you want me to re-rack this one too?
I mean, if you want to.
Strike to claim it. Oh my God, that's so far right. Oh my God.
See, I knew that one was good too.
What?
It's the right miss. It's the right miss.
Right and slow is the miss.
Get up the back of it, right, really slow. I look better. I thought this was gonna be a lot higher scoring because like we threw our first shots and they were all striking, but then the carry down and it just
Caused some issues.
I probably had like 230 reaction. Shot making was not the best.
Thanks for bowling.
No problem.
Congratulations to Braden on winning $100. And if you guys want to support us and help us pay him, grab some merch at thehousebowling.com. And if you guys ever challenge me, make sure you go first, because apparently that's the play in how to beat Pat Ganran. And if you want to test yourself, whether it's on a house shot or a long pattern like we bowled on here, throw plastic balls, challenge yourself, and learn how accurate you really are. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.